Molweni, igama lam ndinguMihle Sangovana. Let's cook dinner together. So today, it was just one of those days where I'm just like, you know what? I miss home. I miss my mom so much. So I was just like, mandenze into that will make me ease that feeling. So I decided to make ipapa, chicken and cabbage. Cabbage yam green, ndiyayazi. I was like, you know what, I'll make it work with tunza in cabbage curry, whatever that you guys can call it, but it was very nice. I brownie indon. I said, my mom would say, I super green. I then went on and peeled my onions, green pepper, and carrots. And for quick, guys, not in Jane. This is just 30 minutes meal, and then I'm done. So before you do anything, you wash your veggies. So I'm now done washing veggies. I'm about to peel, and as I was doing it, I made sure that I clean my surface, I clean the station. One thing about my consumer teacher always said, make sure it is clean, and if only clean as you do it. Oh, miss her so much. So peeled everything, and then went on the fakai chicken yam. Before that, I fried my onions, carrots, and green pepper, spiced that up with my different spices that I like. Yes, and then ndafaka inyama yam. Oh, bawa ke sana voice over njalo ke yandigoshisa. But again, izayibona guys. Now dibanisa ndive bandithini ne 6-gun grill. I never miss that one. I always make sure. Yo, ne mild and spicy. Yo, one thing about me, I don't use iraja, but that one spice, sakwa mild and spicy, shame. I always make sure ne garlic, ne crushed garlic, sorry, and then finally in the fucking yama, mix that all together. It looked so good. Then say papa. One thing about me, I go good with papa, but today I made sure it came out so well, and I have been as gaga. My mom always complained, Papa, you're going as gaga, no mazana. Especially the Chinese, but if you I nailed it. And then after that, daili ndaya righty, and then went on to dish up the food. Yeah, voila, my food was ready, and it was so nice, guys. Really enjoyed the meal. That right after this. So hope you enjoyed the video and my voiceover echo. But